Kobe beef. You've heard the name. It's whispered in expensive restaurants. It's a benchmark, a legend. Many claim to offer it. Few truly deliver the real deal. This isn't just any steak. It's a story on a plate, a testament to dedication. This meat carries a heavy reputation. It promises an unparalleled experience, a rich, buttery texture, intense flavor. It melts, not an exaggeration. People travel for this. They save up. It's a bucket list item for food lovers, a true culinary pilgrimage. The hype is real if you get authentic Kobe. Kobe is more than just beef. It represents the pinnacle of quality, a symbol of Japanese agricultural artistry, years of tradition, meticulous care. It's about perfection, pursued relentlessly. This pursuit defines its very essence. It's a cultural icon, wrapped in myth, and yes, it costs a fortune. This essay dives into Kobe beef. We'll explore its storied past, understand its journey to luxury status, see how technology shapes its present, and why it remains the gold standard. Forget the knockoffs, the pretenders. This is about the authentic experience, the real, unadulterated Kobe. The story begins in Hyogo Prefecture. This is in Japan, of course, specifically with Tajima cattle. These are a unique breed of Wagyu. Wa means Japanese, Gyu means cow, so Japanese cow. Simple, right? But Tajima are special, genetically distinct. Their lineage is fiercely protected. These cattle lived in relative isolation. For centuries, a closed gene pool. This resulted in remarkable purity. No crossbreeding diluted their traits. The rugged terrain of Hyogo helped this. It kept other breeds out. This isolation was key. It forged the foundation of Kobe. Originally, Tajima cattle weren't for eating. They were work animals, draft animals, plowing rice paddies, hauling goods. Their smaller frames were ideal for this. Their endurance was legendary. Beef consumption was not widespread. Buddhist influences limited meat eating. Cows were partners in agriculture. Slowly, things began to change. Japan started opening to the world. Dietary habits evolved over time. The unique qualities of Tajima meat noticed. People discovered its incredible tenderness, its superior marbling, its rich taste. The journey from field to fork began. A legend was quietly being born. The Meiji Restoration in 1868. This period changed Japan forever. It opened doors to Western influence, including Western dietary habits. Beef consumption started to rise, no longer a taboo for many. This shift was crucial for Kobe. It created a demand, a market. Foreigners in port cities like Kobe, they were among the first to recognize it. They tasted Tajima beef. They were amazed. Word spread about this exceptional meat. Local Japanese also began to appreciate it. Its reputation grew, slowly at first. Then, it gained unstoppable momentum. The secret was getting out. How did it become a luxury item? Scarcity played a huge role. True Kobe comes from very specific cattle, raised under stringent conditions. The meticulous care adds to the cost. This isn't mass-produced beef, it's artisanal, it's handcrafted almost. This exclusivity fueled its high price. Kobe beef became a national treasure, a source of immense pride for Hyogo, and for Japan as a whole. It represented Japanese dedication, the pursuit of perfection, kodawari. It wasn't just food anymore. It was a cultural ambassador, a taste of Japanese excellence. Traditional farming methods are still vital, but modern science enhances them now. It's not about replacing old wisdom, it's about refining it, making it better. Technology helps ensure consistency, it helps maintain the highest standards. Every step is carefully managed, from birth to the final product. Diet is critical, absolutely paramount. Farmers use specialized feed formulations, a blend of grains, grasses, supplements. Each animal's intake can be monitored. Data tracking helps optimize growth, and, importantly, fat marbling. This isn't about speed, it's about quality. Healthy, stress-free animals produce better meat. Stress reduction is a serious business. Calm, clean environments are standard. Some farms play music, it's said to help. Massages, that's mostly myth for Kobe. The beer story, also largely exaggerated. The key is consistent, gentle handling, minimizing any form of stress. Happy cows, better beef. It's that simple. Genetic tracking is now indispensable. DNA testing confirms Tajima lineage. It ensures authenticity and pedigree. This protects the Kobe brand. It gives consumers confidence. Farmers can also use genetic data to select the best breeding stock, always aiming for superior marbling and taste. Section 5. Cold chains and global reach delivering perfection. Distributing Kobe beef is a challenge. It's a highly perishable, premium product, and it needs to arrive in perfect condition. Whether it's going across Japan or across the entire globe, there is no room for error. The reputation depends on it. Quality control is relentless. Advanced refrigeration is fundamental. The cold chain must be unbroken from the processing plant to the kitchen. Vacuum sealing protects the meat, locking in freshness and flavor. Temperature sensors monitor shipments, and any deviation triggers an alert. This ensures safety and quality. Logistics are incredibly complex, especially for international exports. Air freight is the preferred method because it's fast and minimizes transit time. Specialized packaging maintains temperature, and customs clearance needs to be swift. Every hour counts when dealing with fresh Kobe. It's a race against time. Traceability technology offers transparency. Many Kobe products now feature QR codes. Consumers can scan them with a smartphone, revealing the animal's origin, its farm, and its certification details. This fights counterfeiting effectively and guarantees you're getting the real thing. Authenticity is paramount for such a prize. What sets Kobe apart? The marbling, that's the first thing. It's called shimofuri in Japanese. Intramuscular fat, not exterior fat. It weaves through the muscle fibers. This fat makes Kobe unique, a visual promise of flavor, incredible texture, low melting point, melts in your mouth, rich, buttery, umami-packed, intense yet delicate. A clean taste that lingers. Not all Tajima beef from Hyogo is Kobe. Only the best qualifies. The Kobe Beef Marketing and Distribution Promotion Association sets the rules. Carcasses are graded on marbling, color, and texture. A Japanese Meat Grading Association score is key. Only a select few make the cut. How does it compare to other Wagyu? Wagyu is a broad term. Many types exist, like Miyazaki, Omi, and Matsusaka, all excellent. But Kobe is specifically purebred Tajima cattle, born, raised, and processed in Hyogo Prefecture, meeting all the association's strict criteria. It has its own unique history and its own specific, protected designation. Section 7, The Connoisseur's Choice, Why Kobe Still Reigns Supreme. Eating Kobe beef is an event. It's not just a meal to fill you up, it's an indulgence, a celebration. The anticipation is part of it, the careful preparation, the first bite. It engages all your senses. This experience is what people pay for. It's a moment of pure culinary pleasure. Consistency is a hallmark of Kobe. Years, decades, centuries of refinement. The breeding programs are precise. The feeding regimens are perfected. The grading standards are unwavering. When you order Kobe, you expect perfection. And most of the time, it delivers. This reliability builds immense trust. Yes, it's a status symbol. The high price point ensures exclusivity. Being able to afford Kobe or serving it to important guests signals discernment and sophistication. It's part of its allure, undeniably. But it's not just about showing off. The quality has to back it up. Chefs and food critics globally sing its praises. It features on the world's best menus. This constant endorsement reinforces its position. It's a benchmark they compare others to. This global recognition is hard-earned. It's built on a foundation of excellence. Kobe isn't just famous, it's respected by those who know. Section 8. Beyond the bite, Kobe's enduring culinary impact. Kobe beef has influenced global standards. It showed the world what beef could be. The focus on marbling, on tenderness. It set a new benchmark for quality. Other countries started their own Wagyu programs, often using Japanese genetics initially. Kobe was the original inspiration, the mountain others aimed to climb. It has spurred on other Wagyu producers, both within Japan and internationally. Competition can be a good thing, it drives innovation and quality. While Kobe maintains its unique identity, the broader Wagyu category has benefited. More choices for consumers, more amazing beef experiences available. Kobe beef plays a role in culinary diplomacy. It's a delicious ambassador for Japan, showcasing Japanese agricultural prowess and their commitment to quality. Monozukuri, it's a form of soft power, winning hearts and minds through taste. A shared appreciation for fine food, it bridges cultures on the dinner plate. The future of Kobe looks secure, but challenges exist. Sustainability, maintaining tradition while embracing innovation, protecting its authenticity in a global market. Yet its status as the gold standard endures. It's a product of passion, patience, and place. Kobe beef isn't just a trend, it's a timeless culinary masterpiece.